Core setup, tools you'll need. Before we dive into hands-on virtualization, let's make sure you have the right tools in place. Setting up a virtual machine requires a few key software and system resources, and in this lesson, we'll guide you through everything you need. Choosing the right hypervisor. A hypervisor is the software that creates and manages virtual machines. There are two main types. Type 1 hypervisors, bare metal, installed directly on the hardware, such as VMware ESXi and Microsoft Hyper-V. Type 2 hypervisors, hosted, run on top of an existing OS, ideal for personal use such as VirtualBox, VMware Workstation, and Hyper-V for Windows. For this course, we'll focus on Type 2 hypervisors since they're easier to install and use. The most popular choices are VirtualBox, free, open source, great for beginners. VMware Workstation Player, more advanced with better performance and integration. Hyper-V, available for Windows Pro and Enterprise users. System requirements. To run virtual machines efficiently, your computer should have a modern processor with virtualization support such as Intel VTX or AMD V, at least 8 GB of RAM, though 16 GB or more is recommended for running multiple VMs. 50 GB or more of free disk space for installing operating systems. A 64-bit operating system, such as Windows, Mac OS, or Linux. Check your BIOS settings to ensure virtualization is enabled before proceeding. Downloading operating system images. Once the hypervisor is installed, you'll need OS installation files. Common choices include Windows ISO, available from Microsoft's official website. Linux distributions, options like Ubuntu, CentOS, and Debian from their respective websites. Mac OS optional, requires extra setup and is best suited for Mac users. Additional tools for a smooth experience. To enhance your VM experience, consider installing Guest Editions or VM tools, improve display resolution, clipboard sharing, and performance. A file sharing tool, to transfer files between your host and VM. Snapshot and backup software for saving VM states and quick recovery. Final steps. Now that you know what tools you need, it's time to set them up. In the next lesson, we'll walk you through installing and configuring your first hypervisor so you can create your first virtual machine.